2017 can be argued as the year of the trends, from stretched-out 18:9 displays to dual-camera implementations to facial recognition security, all adopted by many of the flagships released this year. And you know what else they adopted? This crazy idea of ultra-premium pricing around the neighborhood of $1,000. However, there's a new phone that adopts all of these newfound qualities, and then some, but without the $1,000 price tag. Enter the OnePlus 5T, the latest high-end smartphone from the Chinese company. At first glance, it could be perceived as a minuscule update, coming only a few short months after the company's previous flagship, the OnePlus 5. But don't be fooled, because if you look at the larger picture, it might astound you to know how the OnePlus 5T stacks up against the giants in the flagship space. In the box: dash power adapter, dash Type-C cable, silicone protective case, OnePlus decals, safety information, user's guide, interface and functionality. The beauty of OnePlus is its budding community, where users provide feedback based on their experience. This helps shape the handset's software, named Oxygen OS, both visually and functionally. Oxygen OS refines the core Android experience without throwing in unnecessary extras. There's zero bloatware too. The results in a clean interface, one that doesn't stray too far from stock Android. Many of Oxygen OS's features we're familiar with are still present: reading mode that filters out blue light, expanded screenshot that allows you to capture a screenshot of an entire vertical website, a gaming do not disturb mode, and much more. With this latest version, however, they're including this useful parallel apps feature, which essentially clones an app so that you can run two accounts simultaneously. So far, the supported apps include things like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Skype. It's useful if you want to separate work from personal, and we hope that this feature will be extended to more apps. For the most part, Oxygen OS 4.7.2 suffices in delivering tangible experience that make operating a phone simple and intuitive. But there's an asterisk next to that, because it's running on top of Android 7.1.1 Nougat at the moment instead of the latest 8.0 Oreo. For some folks, this might be a deal breaker, but like most flagships around, it's only a matter of time before an update arrives. Face Unlock. Another trendy feature adopted by the OnePlus 5T is this advanced facial unlocking implementation. While the fingerprint sensor is undeniably swift with its response rate, this new face recognition feature adds another layer to the mix. From the looks of it, there doesn't seem to be any additional hardware in play here, so it's left to software and algorithms that are used to identify a face through the front-facing camera. In our experience, Face Unlock worked really fast. A quick tap of the power button, with the phone being directly in front of us, is all it takes to unlock the OnePlus 5T almost instantly. And you know what? It even manages to work in the dark too. Though Face Unlock won't trigger if the phone is tilted even slightly. Its front-facing camera has to be aimed straight at the user for the feature to work.